Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode of the Explain series. Now this episode has been requested by 5 people, so this is one of the highest rate of requests I've had over the last 2 months. I personally think it's a bit of a strange request, but it's how to remove semen from the skin or from clothes. So how do you remove semen from your skin? Quite simply, just have a shower and wash with an emollient. Now, most people who come on this channel know that I don't push soaps very much, because soaps can be very damaging to the genitals because soaps contain a surfactant, but for normal skin the body can take it. However, an emollient works for normal skin as well as the genitals. They're very, very slippery, so don't slip over, and you can't use an emollient. And so the thing that emollient is something that people with eczema tend to use because they've got very, very soft skin. It's no good using an emollient for your hair, so you still need to use a shampoo and conditioner for your hair, but for the rest of the skin you can use a simple emollient, and that will dissolve any semen on the skin that can't be washed off just with water alone. For clothes, simply pop them in your washing machine and with a simple either biological detergent, or I tend to use non-bio. Both should work quite easily. So it's actually quite simple to remove, but yeah, comments below, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.